The Western Lowland gorilla is the most numerous and widespread of all gorilla subspecies, although it is still classified as critically endangered. This subspecies is known for its adaptability to dense, lowland rainforests, mainly across Central and West Africa. Size and weight: Western lowland gorillas are slightly smaller than other gorilla subspecies. Males can weigh between 300 to 400 pounds, while females generally weigh around 150 to 200 pounds. Adult males can reach a height of 4 to 6 feet when standing upright, though they usually move on all fours, knuckle walking. Western lowland gorillas have shorter, brownish-gray fur compared to their mountain gorilla relatives. Males develop a distinctive silverback with age, which involves the hair on their backs turning a silvery white. They have a prominent brow ridge, a broad, flat nose with large nostrils, and brown eyes, giving them a distinctive facial structure that aids in identification. Western lowland gorillas inhabit the tropical rainforests of West and Central Africa, specifically in countries like Cameroon, the Central African Republic, Gabon, Congo, and Equatorial Guinea. They prefer dense, lowland forests and swamp forests, where the canopy provides ample cover and food sources are plentiful. Unlike mountain gorillas, which stay in mountainous areas, Western lowland gorillas live primarily in lowlands, adapting well to diverse environments within their forested habitat. Western lowland gorillas have a varied herbivorous diet consisting primarily of fruit, leaves, shoots, stems, and bark. Fruits make up a significant portion of their diet, and they consume more fruit than mountain gorillas due to the abundance in their habitat. They also eat some insects, such as termites and ants, although this is a minor part of their diet. Since fruit availability fluctuates, Western lowland gorillas are skilled at moving through their habitat to locate different food sources depending on the season. Like other gorillas, Western lowland gorillas live in family groups known as troops, typically led by a dominant silverback male. This male is responsible for the protection and decision-making for the troop. A typical troop includes one silverback, several adult females, and their offspring. Troops can range from 5 to 10 members, though group sizes can vary. Social interactions among Western lowland gorillas include grooming, play, and vocal communication. They are generally peaceful animals, and aggressive behavior is rare unless they feel threatened. Although they are known for their strong family bonds, Western lowland gorillas are also more likely than other gorilla subspecies to form solitary males or bachelor groups, especially when younger males leave their birth troop. Western lowland gorillas have a complex communication system with a wide range of vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions. These vocalizations include grunts, barks, and hoots, which help them stay in contact and convey emotions or intentions. They are known for chest-beating displays, typically performed by silverbacks to demonstrate strength and intimidate rivals. Western lowland gorillas are highly intelligent and have demonstrated tool use in the wild, such as using sticks to gauge water depth when crossing swamps. They are also capable of problem-solving and have been observed displaying empathy and other advanced social behaviors. Female Western lowland gorillas reach reproductive maturity around 8 to 10 years of age, while males mature around 12 to 15 years. After a gestation period of approximately 8.5 months, females give birth to a single infant, with twins being rare. Infant gorillas are heavily dependent on their mothers for survival, clinging to their mothers' backs for transportation until they are old enough to move independently. Western lowland gorillas have a relatively low reproduction rate, as females typically give birth only once every 4 to 6 years, contributing to their vulnerability as a species. They can live up to 35 to 40 years in the wild, with some individuals in captivity living even longer. The Western lowland gorilla is listed as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Deforestation for logging, agriculture, and human settlement reduces their natural habitat. Gorillas are hunted for bush meat, which remains a problem in many parts of their range. Western lowland gorillas are particularly vulnerable to diseases like Ebola, which has decimated entire populations in certain areas. Civil unrest and conflict in certain regions also impact gorilla populations, making conservation efforts challenging. Conservation organizations and local governments are working on anti-poaching initiatives, habitat protection, and disease prevention to help sustain western lowland gorilla populations. Western lowland gorillas play an essential role in their ecosystem as seed dispersers. By consuming various fruits and spreading the seeds through their droppings, they contribute to the growth of the forest and maintain plant diversity. Their presence and behaviors help shape the structure of their habitat, promoting forest regeneration and supporting other species in their ecosystem. Western lowland gorillas are remarkable animals with complex social behaviors and advanced intelligence. Conservation of these gorillas is crucial, not only for preserving biodiversity but also for maintaining the health of tropical rainforests.